Number 2, find the missing number. So in this case, look at the missing number. That's the next line, the one that is dealing with the stars. So the asterisk 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have about 6 digits we have to find there. So this plus this will give us this. It means the addition of this and this will give us this. So for us to find the missing number, it means that if you take away the answer here, the one at the last row, if you take it away from this, we are going to get this. Because this one plus this will give us the last row. So it means that if you take away the last row, what we have here, if you take it away from here, it will give us this. So take note of that. So, and if you take away this from this, it means you are subtracting this minus this. So we are going to do that now. Solution. Now, it means that for us to find star, 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 we have 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Then we take away what we have at the last row. So what do we have here? This is 0. Then we have 1, 1, 1. Don't forget positioning based on the place value. It's very important. So we take away. So taking away, what do we have? From the back. Now, 0 minus 0. What do we have? That is 0. Now from here, look at this. Is 0 minus 1. You have to carry. Rather, you need to borrow, because you can't take away 1 from 0 direct. So you need to borrow. Now, if you move to the next number, is 0 minus 1 also? You cannot. So it means we move to the next one. Look at, we move from here to here. It's not possible also. Then we have to move, we need to move from here to here also. Now looking at this, you can borrow from here. When you borrow 1 from here, what do you have left? We have 0. Then under number basis, once you are borrowing, once you borrow 1, you are borrowing the base. And this is base 2. So once you borrow 1 from here, it means you are borrowing 2. Then look at, you are still coming back to here. So you need to borrow from these 2 also. It will remain 1. But once you are borrowing, what do you have? You are borrowing the base, which is base 2. Now, we can now perform our operation now. 2 plus 0, that is 2. Minus 1, what will you have? We have 1. Then 1 plus 0, what will you have? That is 1. Minus 1, what will you have? 0. Now, look at 0 minus 1. It means you need to borrow from here to this 0. When you borrow, it will remain what? If you borrow 1 from here, it remains 0. But once you are borrowing what? The base. So you have 2 here now. Now, we now have 2 plus 0 here, which is 2. Then 2 minus 1. What will you have? We have 1. Now, what will you have here? We will just have 0. Then here we have what? 1. Can you see? So the answer to this is in base 2. It means that the value for the missing number is what we have here. So we can write here that x, star, 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 star. We have about how many stars? Asterisks. That's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Base 2 is equals to what we have here. You can see how many digits are we having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also. So that is the solution to the problem.